Good afternoon, students. So I am back again with a new concept. I hope the other two videos that I have posted before, you must have liked it and the concept must have been clear after watching their videos about the LCM and HCF. So students, today I am going to tell you about the relation between LCM and HCF and what is their utilization in mathematics. Right? So for example, if we take the two numbers 6 and 10, that will be the simplest number so that you can understand better. So the factors of 6 are 2 into 3 and the factors of 10 are 2 into 5. The LCM will be 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30. Remember this? Okay. Let us take the factors 6 and 10. Now the factors of 6 are again 2 into 3 and factors of 10 are 2 into 5. So the HCF will be 2 as we take only the common and we ignore the other two numbers. Now if you multiply the given two numbers 6 into 10, 6 into 10, it comes out to be 60. And if you watch, the LCM is 30 and HCF is 2. And if we multiply these two numbers, that is LCM into HCF, again the product is 60. So from here, we can find out the relation that I am writing in short, product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So this is the new formula that we are getting out of this. So what we have discussed is that whenever we find out the LCM and the HCF of the same two given numbers, then the product of those two given numbers is equal to the product of the LCM and HCF. Now we will see where to use it. Let me clean the board first. Suppose it is given that the product of two numbers is 64 if one number is 4, find other, also find LCM and HCF. Right? So now the product of two numbers, let the one number be x and one number is 4. So x into 4 is equal to 64. So x, the other number will be 64 divided by 4, that is 16. Now we have got two numbers 4 and 16. Right? Now if we have to find the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 16. 4 common factors are 2 into 2 and 16 common factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here this 2 and this 2. That means 2 into 2, that is the 4. Right? And similarly the factors will be, highest common factor will be, let me do it on the top. So factors of 4 are 2 into 2 and factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So HCF will be 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Sorry, here LCM we have gone wrong. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 16. 2 to the 4 to the 16. And here HCF is 2 and 2 and we will ignore these two numbers and the HCF is 4. Right? So now again if we multiply that 4 into 16, the answer is 64, and if we multiply the LCM 16 by the HCF 4, the number is 64. So the answer to the question is the other number is 16 with LCM 16 and HCF 4. Now students, you might have observed that the LCM is either equal to or given to than the both the numbers. Given by both the numbers, LCM is always bigger and or equal to that number, and HCF is always equal to or smaller than the given numbers. That is the thing that you have to remember whenever you have to find out the HCF. If the HCF is coming smaller than the given number, that means your HCF is right. And similarly, if the LCM is coming equal to or greater than the given two numbers, that means your LCM is right. The other way is to divide it and see whether the remainder is 0 or not. If it is so, then the product answer is right. Right? Let us take one more small example. Let the numbers be 2 and 3 and 18. So if we have to find out the LCM, so factors of 3 are 3 into 1, since 3 is the prime number, and factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. So LCM will be 2. LCM will be, first we will take the common one, that is 3, then 2 and then 3, it is 18, and HCF will be only the common thing, common is 3. So HCF is 3. So now the product of two numbers 18 into 3 is 54, and the product of 3 and 18 is 54. Here also 18 is equal to 18, that LCM is equal to 18, and that HCF is equal to HCF, the given number 3. So that means LCM is always equal to or greater than the given numbers, and similarly HCF is always equal to or smaller than the given numbers. I hope the concept is clear now. So I hope all the 3 videos you watch all the 3 videos and the concept will be clear to you, and do practice at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.